Want a garden that thrives with bigger harvests and healthier plants? The secret lies beneath your feet. It's all in the soil. In today's guide, you'll learn how to create rich, living soil that your plants will absolutely love. Let's dig in. Healthy soil is the foundation of every great garden. It should be loose, airy, and full of organic life. Great soil holds moisture without becoming soggy and delivers the nutrients your plants need to thrive. A well-balanced mix includes three key components. 1. Compost, full of nutrients and beneficial microbes. 2. Aeration materials like perlite or coarse sand to improve drainage. 3. Organic matters such as aged manure or leaf mold to boost structure and water retention. Here's a simple and effective recipe to build amazing soil from scratch. 40% garden soil or topsoil, this is your base. 30% compost, homemade or store-bought, it feeds your plants. 20% coconut coir or peat moss to hold moisture and improve texture. 10% perlite or coarse sand for proper drainage. Mix everything thoroughly. This blend works beautifully for vegetables, flowers, and herbs. Want to give your soil an extra boost? Add these natural power-ups. Worm castings, packed with beneficial microbes and nutrients. Crushed eggshells, add calcium and help prevent blossom end rot. Banana peels, dried and crushed, a natural source of potassium. Use coffee grounds, add nitrogen and improve soil texture. Mix a small handful of any of these into your soil before planting to enrich it even more. Great soil doesn't stop at planting. Keep it thriving with these simple practices. Mulch regularly. It locks in moisture and blocks weeds. Replenish compost each season to maintain fertility. Rotate your crops to prevent nutrient imbalance and pests. Avoid synthetic chemicals. They can harm the living microbes that keep soil healthy. When you feed your soil, it feeds your plants. With the right mix and a little care, your garden will grow stronger, faster, and more bountiful than ever before. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow garden lovers. And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite soil tip?